It's Saturday morning and my friend Walter and I are driving along the coast of Cebu in the Philippines. We're on a 4-hour trip to Waterfalls from the other side of the island. We'd cut right through the middle of the island if we could, but there's mountains in the way. So we're in a rush to see some waterfalls before sunset. Next stop, the emerging town of Samboan and the hidden gem of Aguinid Falls. Unlike most waterfalls, Aguinid has multiple tiers of crystal blue waterfalls and some extreme climbing along the way. Being in a rush, it got me thinking. With places like Lambag Beach, Kawasan Falls, Lion Falls, and other attractions in the area, is it worth it? Is Aguinid Falls worth the trip? Well, we decided to find out. It costed me 400 pesos, or about $7 for the gear, the guide, the tip, and the canyoneering trip. And by the end of it, I had the best milkshake that I've ever had. I got chased out of the falls by some kids. I could barely talk, and I was beyond exhausted. So, is it worth it? Is Aguinid Falls worth the trip?
Check this out. Paradise right here.
How are you, Cameron?
I'm awesome. This is awesome.
What an extreme adventure!
All right, guys, we just got to Aguinid Falls, I think. Look at this cute duck. One thing that's big here is cockfighting. So there's chickens chained up so they don't attack each other. Here's another dog right here. They're everywhere. Literally everywhere. Don't touch them though. A lot of times if they have an owner, they don't like other people, so don't mess with them if they aren't strays. Apparently the strays are actually a lot safer to touch around here too. Here's my nice Aguinid lady.
Sir, you cannot bring your bag. I have waterproof bag, and if you wanna leave your bag, I have locker.
Just like she said, if you have extra things that you don't want to take along with you, they have lockers that you can rent. They also offer life jackets, helmets, and water shoes if you wanted those as well. Highly recommend the stylish water shoes.
So I ended up renting some water shoes, some nice spiffy water shoes for myself.
Waterfalls is different from Sumalog because here you have 6 different levels. Then in every level we have a different activities to do. So, right? This one is our level 1. Then level 0 is there, very shallow. That's why not good for swimming right there.
Oh, okay. We just got to Aguinid. We're gonna hop in the water. Here's my guide, Yaki. Yaki, best guide in the business. I'll take off my shirt here. Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, this feels good. Woo. Okay, it's a little cold once you get a little deeper.
Okay. Now we are here already at the main part. It's 4 to 5 feet depth. If you're on this one, you can get in here.
Oh, it's gonna be a little cold. Are you coming in? Oh!
It's very freeze.
Oh yeah!
Come on.
Check this out, guys. This is insane.
Oh, Yankees! Oh! Oh, this is cool. Give him a thumbs up.
Look at this rock, guys. Jackie was just saying that it looks slippery, which it does.
That's the free.
Yeah, it looks like it, but it's not. He says it's limestone. It's really cool. It's so smooth, but not slippery at the same time. You want to film for a little bit? Yeah. Say whatever you want.
Hello, this is Waterfall. Want to vlog me up? Now we are pushing on the second level. We go to the second level by climbing in the not the second level. This is what they said. You have four choices going up there. You can take this one with ropes, or either you can take another one without rope. It's an extreme adventure.
Okay.
So which one?
Want to go extreme? Extreme?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, he will be the one to go up first. Okay, climbing now. Okay. Camera on. Extreme adventure. Camera roll.
Oh, be careful! You're way better. You're a pro.
Okay. Yeah.
Parkour. Yeah.
Now we're putting on level 4.
Look at how blue this water is. Oh, so sweet.
Okay, come on now. We are here already at the third level, huh?
Yeah?
Third level is a relaxing level. So, you can enjoy a soft water massage on your back.
And water! I have never seen anything like this before.
Enjoy, Cameron. Enjoy. It's a water massage. Hold down, camera. Come, we're gonna go up here. Hey. Yeah. Then you step your left foot in here, Cameron. You're gonna hold the rope of the tree. That one. You hold here. Yeah, you step up. Okay. Then you're gonna hold the small rope over there.
Okay.
Your right hand, your small rope, yeah. You change, then you're gonna hold here, left hand. Then you change your hand here. Then be careful of your head. Be careful.
Okay, good. Extreme?
Extreme adventure. Now, after climbing, again in level 4 is jumping.
All right. Now we're talking. Oh, you went this way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now we are here already at the 4th level, which is jumping.
Okay.
So we're gonna jump first at the low one. After you're gonna jump at the low one, we're gonna
Jump up
at
there?
the high one. So use your own GoPro. You can film me.
Okay.
Then you're gonna jump. Then you're gonna jump in the middle, huh?
In the middle?
Like this.
You wanna go? Me first?
1, 2, you can go.
Got that. 1, 2.
You can take this way going up there at the higher one.
At the higher one?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can try. On the left side.
Check this out. Paradise right here.
Don't be scared. If you can, you can stand up here.
Whoa.
Then you can jump in the middle.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, go!
You wanna do it? Okay. Oh yeah. Good. This was awesome.
What a nice experience. You can jump.
Wait, today after they
All right.
That is
Oh.
our last level.
Nice.
Okay. Now, after this one going up.
Oh, this is cool.
You can go on extreme adventure right there. You can go up there at the right side. There's a stud. Then
Oh.
you can get in there inside the cave. Then you can go outside in front of them.
Check this out, guys. This is insane. Huh? Get inside it? All right. Ready?
We'll film you while climbing.
All right.
Go!
Ah.
Atas, atas, among, atas. Running on the cave.
I don't know if you guys can see it here, but it's awesome.
Yeah, you can go outside right there. Just a side. Yeah. Side step on down.
Oh, just like that? All right.
What an extreme adventure. How are you, Cameron?
I'm awesome. This is awesome.
Just take a side. Side view. Just like that. Wow.
I'm too big.
Yeah. Okay. And now you got it.
Oh, yeah.
You got it. Okay. And now, Cameron, you can go outside over here. You can sit down here, then you can stand up there. Dito, gawin ka daw mag-video na lang. Ano ka daw yung video? Mahuli kita daw, boss. Yan yung master. Okay, Cameron, that's good too.
Oh, can I film under here quick?
Yeah. Yeah, you can go outside. Now, you can take your time, then just relax, okay?
Okay. Dude, this is sweet.
Yeah.
You've been here before, right? Yeah. This is fucking awesome.
It's here. Solid right. Here. Bible loop. Okay. Leg here. The left leg. Okay. Push. Come on, push. Okay. a nice experience.
Oh yeah. This is awesome.
So, you gonna go down?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I want to jump a couple more times. Yeah? Hello. Oh, careful. Yeah. You got it first, Walter?
Right there.
Payong good.
Yeah. Okay.
I will have the buko shake in it. We just got done with Aguinid Falls. It was probably my favorite thing of the trip so far. We got our buko shakes here, me and Walter. Thanks to this nice lady in here. These things are awesome, by the way. If you guys ever come to Aguinid Falls, you have to try these things. Hey.
Come here.
Okay.
Come here, kasama mo.
Es Luna! Batig na wong! Es Luna! Batig na wong!
Laban ninyo ko sa likod. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, bye.
Goodbye. See you, kids.
Sayang na tabibim! Sayang na tabibim! Sayang na tabibim! Sayang na tabibim!
See you guys. So we're gonna head back and we're gonna go to Mall Ball. Hopefully we can beat the sun, but I don't know about it. I'd like to see some sunsets over at Mall Ball. Oh shit! You wanna do like a peace out? A peace out one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you guys when we get there. Peace out.
Yes.
Now to answer my question. Is Aguinid Falls worth it? Yes. 150% yes. This was the most fun that I've had at any destination on this trip up until this point. Aguinid Falls is an extraordinary set of waterfalls. In combination with the awesome guide and the amazing coconut shakes that we had to cap off our trip, it was definitely worth it. Although Aguinid Falls isn't really a hidden gem, I think it's off the beaten path and an extremely underrated set of waterfalls here in Cebu. Leave a comment down below on any suggestions on where I should go next, and as always, subscribe to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Ping, amigos.